Dark Waters is a 2019 American legal thriller film directed by Todd Haynes and written by Mario Correa and Matthew Michael Carnahan. The story dramatizes Robert Bilott's case against the chemical manufacturing corporation DuPont after they contaminated a town with unregulated chemicals. It stars Mark Ruffalo as Bilott, along with Anne Hathaway, Tim Robbins, Bill Camp, Victor Garber, Mare Winningham, William Jackson Harper, and Bill Pullman. The film is based on the 2016 New York Times Magazine article, "The Lawyer Who Became DuPont's Worst Nightmare," by Nathaniel Rich. An account of the investigation and case was first publicized in the book Stain-Resistant, Nonstick, Waterproof and Lethal: The Hidden Dangers of C8, 2007, by Callie Lyons, a Mid-Ohio Valley journalist who covered the controversy as it was unfolding. Parts of the pollution and cover-up story were also reported by Mariah Blake, whose 2015 article, "Welcome to Beautiful Parkersburg, West Virginia," was a National Magazine Award finalist, and Sharon Lerner, whose series, Bad Chemistry, ran in The Intercept. Bilott wrote his own memoir, Exposure, 2019, detailing his 20-year legal battle against DuPont. Focus Features gave Dark Waters a limited theatrical release on November 22, 2019, before releasing it wide on December 6. The film received positive reviews from critics and grossed $23 million.